Hey Phrozen community, today we're unboxing the 3D printing enclosure Mega designed by Phrozen. Have you ever been bothered by odors or plastic microparticles generated during the 3D printing process? Our enclosure Mega can effectively block odors, suspended particles, and noise produced during printing, allowing us to perform 3D printing more safely in any environment. So let's get started right away. First, open the cardboard box and take out the accessory box. Then, pinch the box latch at the bottom of the cardboard box, pull it out to release it, and remove the top cover. After removing the top cover, take the instruction manual attached to the back of the packing material, and then remove all the packing materials in order. Once all packing materials are removed and all accessory boxes are opened, we can see the accessories inside. Next, prepare two 1.5-volt LR44 button cell batteries and we can start assembling the enclosure. Before we begin, here is a quick reminder. Since the enclosure needs to be fully laid flat for assembly, it's best to choose a larger space and have two people work together to ensure a safe and smooth installation. Lay the enclosure flat with the inner side facing upward, and you will see that it consists of a UV-resistant transparent window, the left and right panels, the top cover, and the back panel. Next, one person should lift the UV-resistant transparent window and the left and right panels. Then the other person should align the edges of the left and right panels with the sides of the top cover. After confirming proper alignment, use the Velcro on the top cover to secure the left and right panels. Be careful not to press on the adhesive straps along the sides. Then, fold the Velcro strips on the sides of the left and right panels inward, and lift the back panel upright. After confirming that the side panels are properly aligned, use the Velcro to secure them in place. Finally, flip the enclosure back to its upright position, and the assembly is complete. In addition, the enclosure can be placed directly on a flat surface. But if you want to keep your table clean or make future cleaning easier, we also provide a detachable base that allows for more convenient maintenance. Take out the base. Align the curved notch of the base with the cable slot, and once aligned, secure it using the Velcro on the base. Next, take out the thermohygrometer and hygrometer, push the back cover backward to open it, insert the button cell battery, and then close the cover. After that, install the thermohygrometer onto the enclosure. Then, take out the light strip. Here's an important reminder. Do not remove the yellow protective film on the light strip to avoid causing the resin to cure. Open the transparent window. Choose your preferred position among the four sides at the top of the enclosure for mounting the light strip. And once the position is selected, use the LCD adhesive straps to secure the light strip. Next, use the cable adhesive straps on the side of the enclosure to organize and secure the light strip's power cable along the side of the enclosure. After that, find the nearest cable slot, pass the light strip's power cable through it, and plug it into a USB port. You can then turn the light strip on as needed. Once both light strips are installed, we can start placing the machine inside. You can put in the machine, the cleaning unit, or any tools you want. Depending on where you place the machine, you can route the machine's power cable through the nearest cable slot and plug it into an outlet to start using it. In addition, the tool pocket on the side of the enclosure can be used to store tools needed during printing. We have also provided adhesive straps that can be used to hang various tools. After everything is set up, close the transparent window and you can begin printing or post-processing inside the enclosure. If you want to remove dust and odors inside the enclosure during the 3D printing process, you can connect the air purifier to filter the air inside the enclosure. First, take out the magnetic vent port module included with the air purifier. Then, take out the exhaust duct and the fastening clamp. Pinch the ears of the fastening clamp and attach the clamp onto the exhaust duct. Next, take the magnetic exhaust port and insert it onto the exhaust duct. After inserting it, pinch the ears of the fastening clamp again to secure it in place. Repeat the same steps to install the other magnetic exhaust port onto the other end of the exhaust duct. Once finished, attach the magnetic vent port module to the enclosure's exhaust port and the air purifier's intake port. Next, plug in the power cord of the air purifier and switch it on to begin the setup process. Press fan to adjust the fan speed. And press timer to set the desired operating duration. Once the settings are complete, the air purifier will start filtering dust and odors inside the enclosure. That's it for the enclosure mega unboxing and installing. Hope you find this video helpful. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions in the comment section. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more exciting news from Phrozen. I'll see you next time. Bye!